Hello dear friends, dear subscribers of my YouTube channel Retro Photo House. Today I would like to ask you one question. In your opinion, what is the common thing of all these lenses? Jupiter 9, Carl Zeiss Sonar, Jupiter 3 and Jupiter 8, for example, what I have here. Yes, I think you're right in your thoughts. These lenses are for rangefinder, for Contax rangefinder cameras. Okay, these lenses have Contax external mount, and these lenses they have Contax internal mount. And I will show you also my Leica M8 digital rangefinder camera. And another question, how to properly mount these lenses, because they are excellent optically. For example, Jupiter 9, it has 15 blades iris, Carl Zeiss Sonar, it Red T version, makes gorgeous images. Jupiter 3, very good lens, fast, compact. Jupiter 8 as well. So the question is how to properly mount these lenses onto Leica cameras with proper adapter coupling. This question I was working last two months on it, and I developed the adapter allowing to mount internal and external Contax rangefinder lenses onto Leica M mount with rangefinder coupling unit. But attention, there is very important detail. This unit is adjustable, so you can adjust every single lens, finally adjust the rangefinder coupling unit in order to get exact optical correspondence to camera rangefinder, and of course to get the very beautiful, very sharp and exact photos. So how to use it, I will show you. For example, let's take internal Contax internal lens, Jupiter 3. You take your lens, you take adapter, you put it in this way, and you click it here, and it is mounted. Now you have focusing, and then you just take your camera, you find the red dot on the adapter, you find the red dot onto your camera bayonet, you align them, you are done. Now in general you can use your lens onto your Leica camera. Just a bit later I will show you how to finally adjust the rangefinder coupling unit to make your lenses work perfectly onto your rangefinder camera. Now I would like to show you how to mount, for example, external Contax bayonet lens. This, for example, also Jupiter 8, this is internal, the same thing, until click here and it's mounted. To release, you push this, you turn, and lens is released. For example, if you want to mount the Jupiter 9 lens, you need to focus it onto infinity like this, and you need to focus adapter onto infinity as well. Then you just hold with your finger the inner part. Okay, it's important in order to prevent from moving the inner focusing part. There is a red dot here, but in my case there is no, but there is a place. But normally on the lenses, for example, if you take Sonar, there is a red dot on external bayonet. It should be here, the place. And you just find the red dot on inner bayonet, on inner focusing part of the adapter. Adapter is focused onto infinity. You align these two dots. You put the adapter inside, like this. You push this. You put inside. You turn until click. Your lens is mounted onto the adapter. And you see the rangefinder coupling unit is moving. Then you just take your lens, as in previous case, you find the red dot on adapter, you find red dot onto the camera, you align them, and your Jupiter 9 is mounted and rangefinder coupled onto your Leica rangefinder camera. Exactly to release the lens, you push, you turn, you've done. Exactly in the same way you mount your Carl Zeiss sonar lenses. You focus it onto infinity, you focus adapter onto infinity, you align red dots, one here and one here, you put them together like this, you're done. Rangefinder coupling unit is moving and focusing is working. And the same way you take your camera, you align the dots and you put it. Here you have your Carl Zeiss sonar lens mounted onto your rangefinder camera. And basically you can use it and it will show some good results, but again sometimes you will need to finally adjust the rangefinder coupling unit to get the best results your lens is capable of. Please keep watching. In my second part I will show you how to finally adjust rangefinder coupling unit. So as you may see here, I have my M8 Leica camera with Jupiter 3 lens mounted on it via my adapter. So basically adapter comes already adjusted, so the distance scale corresponds to rangefinder, and normally the lenses should work fine with my adjustment, but in the case sometimes you are not happy with output, you can finally adjust the rangefinder coupling unit, and now in this part I will show you how to do this. So first of all you just mount the lens onto your camera and please put your lens on the fastest aperture value. Now I will show you the view from the viewfinder window. One more thing, you need to properly select the shooting object. For example, I just selected this door. Why? Because I've put the vertical line here in order to be able very easily adjust rangefinder window with the optical window in camera viewfinder. So normally when we are adjusting two windows together, the focus should be exactly at that point, and we will see if the lens focusing exactly where rangefinder shows, or if it makes closer focusing or more distant focus. And depending on the results, we will adjust the rangefinder coupling unit. So I invite you also in your test, you should find something like this with vertical lines, and to be able to analyze the photos and see where is focus, the physical optical focus, where is this. Also please pay attention to the camera proper positioning. Camera should be around 45 degrees to your shooting object. Please make sure you have this. So here you can see the view from the camera viewfinder. You can see the frames and also the rangefinder window inside the optical window. And so normally how you focus, normally you should align the two objects inside the window. So normally, as you may see here, my white vertical line in little rangefinder window, and I'm adjusting by turning focus. Now I'm turning focus and I'm adjusting the two lines to be completely aligned like this. So normally rangefinder shows that there should be the white line in exact focus, and in this case, once it's done like this, you take your first photo. Then by turning the focus ring, you shift a little bit the rangefinder window view to the left like this, a little, just a little bit, and you take your second photo. Then you, by turning the focus, you shift in the same way but to the right like this, and you take your third photo. Now you turn off your camera, you download the photos onto computer, and you will analyze the photos in zoom mode to see the details and to see where is physical focus of the lens. Please take a look at the image. I show you the my computer and the 3 files I've downloaded with the 3 test shots we've made all together. As you may remember, the first shot, it was optical window with rangefinder window completely aligned. The second shot, the rangefinder window was a little bit to the left, and third shot, the rangefinder window was a little bit to the right. Now let's examine closely the photo and we will see. So as you may see here, the physical focus is a little bit here. Just take a look. This area is in focus, this area is completely out of focus, and this you don't have completely exact focus on white line. This is first photo. This is second photo. On the second photo, as you may see, the focus is around the around the white vertical line. So here you see the crisp image, and here also. This is the second photo, and third photo is completely bad because focus is shifted very strongly to the left. So from these photos we can make the conclusion that when we focus, when the rangefinder window is on the right, this is not good. When the rangefinder window corresponds completely to the optical window, you may see that lens shows physical focus on the left, and then this we need to correct with you. And if you take a look on the second photo, when the rangefinder window was a little bit to the left, it was not completely aligned, but it was a little bit to the left. This gives us the very best optical correspondence. So now we need to correct the adapter to make it focus properly. So you just take your adapter, focus to infinity, and there is the ring here that it moves on the left and to the right. This is a threaded ring, as you may see. You see? So if you see in reality that when rangefinder and optical windows correspond, and the physical focus is on the left, you turn your ring just slightly, gently, a little bit clockwise, like this. Just a little bit. And again, you put the lens and with adapter onto your camera and you make the same photos to see if it's okay or not. If it's still to the left, you just turn a little bit more. In the case when rangefinder window corresponds completely, is aligned with optical window, but focus, physical focus is on the right, you need to turn this ring just a little bit to the left. And that's it. In this way, you can easily adjust your rangefinder coupling unit to get exactly optical correspondence with your lens you are using with the adapter. That's the major difference that my adapter shows with other adapters, because in other same adapters you may find in sale there is no the fine adjustment of rangefinder coupling unit. Again, if you have focus closer on the left, you need to compensate the rangefinder by turning the inner ring to the right a little bit. If your focus is on the right side, more distant, then you need to compensate the rangefinder by turning ring to the left. And that's it, you are done. So this is Retro Photo House. If you need the adapter I'm showing you, please visit my eBay store. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.